Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 26. Whoever offers me with devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, water, that I accept, offered by the pure-minded with devotion.
Chapter 9, Shloka 26. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti upahritam ashnami prayatatmanah.
Chapter 9, Shloka 26. The contrast between worship with elaborate rituals and worship with devoted thoughts is explained to clear the misunderstanding and make way for gaining absolute success. When elaborate Vedic rituals become unavailable for ordinary people, then Gita came to help. Arjuna had faith in rituals but was confused about the application. The simpler methods for intense self-application Lord Krishna gave confused him more. So Lord explains here that it is not what you offer, but how you offer is that guarantees the result. The objects we offer are of no value to the Lord of the universe, but it is the love and devotion that prompts the deity to accept the offerings from the pure-minded. Anything we offer to the Lord is already His, and He needs nothing from the devotees to complete its perfection or to maintain its infinite glory. When we analyze this, we discover the hollowness of the vanity of offering something to the Lord. In offering a flower or a fruit to the Lord, the flower or fruit serves the purpose of conveying His love and dedication to the Lord of His heart, like a spoon lifts the food to the mouth, and at the end of the meal, the spoon remains the same as before, having completed its work. So, we can say that the offerings are complete when they meet with two conditions: A, offered with devotion, and B, by the pure-minded, to serve as a means to walk the spiritual path of self-development. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.